I think it's on. Okay, so first of all, we'll start with this particular talk. Google CTF. Actually, it's not a CTF. It's just a beginner's quest pre-CTF round. They are just delaying it over and over again. पता नहीं क्या ही करते रहते हैं ये लोग. So let's start. I'm gonna show the 1965 basic challenge. So before before starting this challenge, first of all we need to understand uh, how the basic works and what are the particular prerequisite that you need to know. Okay, so there is also an attachment over here which I already unzipped so that we can go on without ever wasting the time. So I'll open the terminal here. Alright, this is the terminal. I'm gonna start the code. So this is the Atari level 1 Atari.bash. Bash is for .basic, and here uh, I for the first level I already commented out some comments, like, so that you could get some help for the code. Sorry for my bad English. What to say. Okay, so let's start with the code without actually delaying this topic further. So these three lines actually print whatever there is after the print statement. The main thing comes from the line 9 to line 16. So what happens is that in line 4 they are just setting a prefix variable whose value is 5. Then comes the FL variable, which stands for flag length, that is 36, right? So what they did is they defined a particular $f string whose length is prefix plus FL plus 1, which means that 36 plus 5 plus 1, which is 42, right? So they read this particular flag, right, f variable, and then comes the part where they also define two different variables, strings, one of length 64 and another a of FL length, same 36 length, right? So why they did this, we will get to know in the 14th line. So just to be sure, how many variables we have this prefix variable, we have this FL variable, we have this $f variable, F variable, U variable and A variable, right? So then they print out the flag. It's just for that particular format thing, like when you log in with SOCAT, you'd get this particular pretty format where you have to actually put the flag, and to know where to put the flag, they actually print the flag statement then like this. So this thing is not much of use. So here goes your flag. Okay, so input $, they get the input must be of 64, max to max 64 characters. So now comes this particular condition: if the length of this U variable is not equal to 42, then go to line 600, and the line 600 says the provided flag is invalid, try another. So all we had to do is just give the particular input of 42 characters. Then comes the $a string, right? So this is an empty string which was of length 36, we saw earlier. Then for length, now here comes the catch. There is a for loop over here which is iterating from length 6, which is for FL plus prefix. FL plus prefix is 41. FL plus prefix is 41 to prefix plus 1, which is 6. Like, so for I is equals to 41 to 6, this is the for loop, and then you have to iterate it backwards, like in reverse, Like for example, from 41, say 40, then 40, 39, then 38, and so on, right? Then comes the part what to do after this, for what to loop for, so we are looping for this particular character here, the a string which was first empty. We have to add this particular string which we gave, this u dollar string which we gave to this a string which is empty for now. And how to add it? For example, u we gave was a b c d e, then a should be appended from 41st index to 6th index, and which is backwards. Also, if a is equals to f dollars, the string that we gave, where yeah, this one, read f dollars, then print good job, now submit the flag and end the loop, right? So what is this f? How do we know this f? Where is this f? Like, we know that a is an empty string and a is being appended from the u that we are giving, but there is no we don't know the f f variables data. What is this particular f variables data? So this is the f variables data, the one in the last. This particular f variables data is being read into this f. Like, define f dollar as a string with a length of 42 characters and read the data into f dollar, and this is the dollar, right? So how to solve this challenge? We start by making a particular string u dollar, and we need to assure that a must be equal to f, which is this particular string. So first of all, we define f dollar, which is this string, right? Also, a dollar must be equal to this string, but the loop is from 41 to 6 in index and is going backwards. Also, the third line said that the flag was with format flag, and here comes the content, right? So we get some hint, like we need to reverse the string as the loop will read it backwards, so that a dollar must be equal to f dollars, right? Also, we need to add some characters in the string, as the loop was from 41 to 6. So what character do we need to add, so that it only reads from 41 to 6 and it gets this string particular this string backwards? The characters are flag and parenthesis. They gave us this hint right over here in the third line. Like, why do you need to print in this format? Because this string must be given in this particular format, so that we could get the 41 to 6 indexes right, where this particular input that we give must be feeded into the a variable, which is being read backwards. And this a variable, if equal to f, gives us the right gives us the right like this string. Good job. Now submit the flag. So we start by connecting our code socat. How do we do that? I have a little bit of a write up here. I also have a write up. I'll publish it also. So we start by making it a by connecting to socat. Let's see. Okay, so before that, this is the GW basic compiler. There are some commands that you need to see for this GW compiler. It's really easy. You don't need to learn much. The first command is the first command is uh, list, or first list command, right? List. I think there is a problem with my connection. I'll connect it again. I'm sorry for the issue, guys. List command. Okay, so there is no lists here. Let's look for files command. Okay, so there is the second command is the files command, which lists all the files here. Files command. So this is the challenge.bash file. I think this is the level 1's challenge.bash file. Then how to execute this file? We have to load this file. So loads the file. Guys, this thing is case sensitive. So when you do load, you have to define it in double quotations, then do it like this. So yes, and we can copy paste it here also. So this is the file and it gets loaded. Now after loading, we have to run command. It runs. Okay, so the exact thing that we were looking, this guy is executing. First of all, we need to give so we have this u dollar variable in control, right, where the u dollars variable content goes into a and it goes backwards. So the flag, oh sorry, so the data is being read backwards. Like if I give this, it will be read from here, working. Sounds something like working, right? Let's look at it. So how do we reverse it? So Python will help us. Python is good. Oh sorry, Python 3. We give this string. Sorry, we give this string and we say it, bro, reverse this string starting from the start and ending. We need the whole string. This is actually the list comprehension type thing. So we say it, okay, start from the first character and end till the first character does not comes, meaning start from the first and go till the end in reverse. So when we print s, this comes, and working backwards to solve a problem. they Google वाली बड़े प्यारे हैं यार. They Google does have a way to impress us. So we give this the flag, but remember, if we give this, it is going from 6 to 41. So we have to append it into the flag format so that it reads only from 6 to 41. Listen, we got the so actually it doesn't print the flag because this thing is the flag. This is the flag. So even if you don't solve the challenge, but I recommend you to do, you can they directly print this submit this thing. So we go over here. Okay, so sometimes what happens is that when you zoom into the site and reload it, right? So there is a glitch over here that whenever you do some challenge, right? So the submit flag option is hidden. So you have to zoom out a bit and go to the sum, and there you get the submit flag option. So we give the flag, sorry, flag, right, and submit it. Submit, yes, boom, solved. So thank you so much.